Hello my friends, today I'm so excited to introduce you brand new reformulated Chanel Rouge Coco lipstick. Wow, look how pretty these colors. $50 this lipstick. Packaging is the same like your original lipstick, but it is a little bit different here. Do you know what? This lipstick are refillable. I'm not sure how much it's gonna refill cost, but so far this lipstick are $50. They're not yet available on website. They're available in a store, of course, Nordstrom Tampa. This is where I work. If you see any of this lipstick, any of these colors, you like it, DM on me. On my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, I will send you home. I will put a little gift for you, and let me show you and swatch all these beautiful 9 colors. This collection included 20 colors. If some colors you don't see but you would like me to swatch for you, again, one more time, DM me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and I will swatch just for you. Look at this beautiful 9 colors. They are different and same time I see some colors similar. Of course I will swatch for you. This is its update formula. It's more care infused, deliver comfort and hydration along with antioxidant protection. Also, this lipstick will keep your lips more hydrating, more smooth. We have with you 83% naturally delivered ingredients here. After 4 weeks, your lips will feel way more better, hydrating, less dry. Let's swatch, let's try. First color, it's Mademoiselle. This is #1 selling lipstick from this formula. Let's swatch this color. Again, this is Coco Mademoiselle. Ooh, it is very rich and creamy formula. I feel this formula a little bit more creamy and rich from original one. First color, it's Mademoiselle, and it is beautiful color. It's a soft color. This color will go with so many outfits. It's your everyday lipstick. You can't go wrong with this lip color. This is color Mademoiselle. I love this color, and what I like about it's have a little bit nice shine, but it's no sparkles. It's just beautiful satin finish lip color. Color 134, and it's very similar to Mademoiselle. Let's try. Color Edinburgh 134. This color Edinburgh, it's very looks similar to Mademoiselle color. Okay, let me see if we have any difference here or not. Wow, colors really similar. It's not much difference. Again, this is definitely little bit lighter, and this is it Mademoiselle, and Edinburgh it's little bit more plummy, or not plummy, more mauve. And let me show you these 2 colors together. This is it's Mademoiselle, and this is Edinburgh. Again, look it. They're very similar. It's a little bit deeper, it's a little bit more purpley, slightly purpley tint here. Very rich formula. I really like how this lipstick feels on my lips. It's have a very subtle scent, but it's like powdery, very mild. This is color 134 and it's definitely way more deeper and rich color than Mademoiselle, but also I do see here a little bit more purpley undertone. Let's try color Mary 124. Color 124 Marie. 124 Marie, very pretty, soft color. It's a little bit more softer, but same time a little bit brighter than Mademoiselle. Very pretty color. Color Mary, and it's a warm undertone lipstick. This color Mary, I would say it's a rosy color with a little bit orange undertone, not too much blue here, because it's definitely warm tone, but it's very pretty. And I really like this satin finish lipstick. It's have a nice beautiful glow. Color 130 La Pausa. Next color, it's 130 La Pausa. Ooh, this is such a beautiful soft color. Let's swatch this color. This color go very soft, smooth, very pretty. It is light pinky color. I love this neutral pink. So far, this is the softest color which one I tried. Color 130, soft pink color. It's not your baby pink. It's not your bright pink. It's your perfect pink for every day. Next color Miami. Oh my god, I miss Miami. I used to live in Coconut Grove, used to work in Merrick Park. My Merrick Park girls miss you. Okay, let's try. Color 132 Miami. Ooh, it is beautiful, rosy, rich color. Color Miami. Definitely it's a beautiful rose color, blue undertone color. We missing color like this. Oh my god, I love this color. Oh wow, I will say rosy blue undertone lipstick. This is so pretty, but for some reason, because it's Miami, I expect a little bit more brighter color, but it is pretty. Let me know in the comments below, do you like this lip color on me or not? It's Miami! Girls from Miami, support your lip colors. And I just discovered, I already tried 4 lipstick and I feel they have a different finishes. First 2 lipstick Mademoiselle and next color, it's more satin, it's more creamy, it's more rich formula than Miami formula, and it also have a little bit, I will say, satin finish, little bit glow. This color Miami color and the previous color, which one I just used, and it's La Pause. I will say it's a creamy lipstick, but it's like a lip balm and lipstick together, a little bit more color than regular lip balm, but I don't see any shine here. So far we have 3 different formulas. Satin, I will say creamy, and another one, it's sparkly one. Color 126, Venice. This is color 126, and wow, can you see these little sparkles here? I see. We need to try this. This color Venice 126. Can you see sparkles here? I do. This is so far first color where I truly see sparkles. I see glow. Oh yes, I do see these beautiful sparkles. And this is color, it's Venice. Such a beautiful rose color with little bit peachy undertone. It's more definitely warm undertone lipstick, and yes, I do see little sparkles. It's not aggressive, they just give me this nice beautiful shift on my lips, and I love this color. I'm just enjoying this color, Venice. It's so pretty. This little bit sparkly shift. Gorgeous color. Next color, 128, Legacy. This is also really popular color. I'm swatching color Legend. Wow, very pretty color. Again, it is beautiful. I'll say cool rose undertone lipstick compared to another colors. We definitely have this color, beautiful rosy color, and Legends. It's such a beautiful color too, soft rose color. This is color Legacy, very beautiful soft color. Let's say soft rosy color, and I actually see little bit metallic shift here, and it is very creamy and rich color. After playing with these lip colors, I definitely will say this formula a little bit more rich formula. Somebody can say it's a little bit looks dry or feels dry. Not to me. It's creamy, it's rich, it's not dry formula. It just formula a little bit more improved, a little bit better, or way more better. I have two more color New York and color Lida. Color New York looks like have a lot of red orange undertone. Let's see if it's color New York 118 rich or not. Color New York. Wow, what a gorgeous red color. And I feel we have little bit here orange undertone. Of course, let's try this lip color on my lips, but it's beautiful and rich. And again, I love this formula. I like this formula better than the original one. Wow, just one swipe and it is a rich color. Wow, it's a beautiful red color. It is red orangey undertone red color. Color New York. I feel this is such a beautiful, sexy red with a little bit orange undertone color. It's not too orange, but it's also not a true red color. But I actually really like this color on me. Color 122 Lida. Last color, it's Lida, and this looks a beautiful red color with blue undertone. 122. Wow, beautiful color, rosy red color. I will not say it's red. It's a beautiful raspberry color. Wow. Look at all these beautiful colors. We have soft colors, we have a rich color, we have deep color. But look at how creamy and shiny this formula. They are long wearing. I love them. Beautiful. Wow, color Lida. It's a beautiful raspberry color. But wait. If I'm gonna compare these two lipstick, New York and Lida, they are different. What a difference between of them. Color New York, little bit more rich formula, a little bit more creamy. color a little bit more intense. Later it is pretty color, but is not as rich formally as New York. I hope you have a good time with me. Today I show you 9 colors. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I really wanna grow my YouTube channel. Love you more than ice cream. Remember, this lipstick not yet available online, but they available at Nordstrom Tampa. This is where I work. DM me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, and I will send you home. I'm gonna put a little present for you. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.